Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So today we'll be working on Scratch. This is a coding language which is the most simple coding language and we'll be working with it. It is a pick and drop language in which some actions are pre-installed in the software and you need to arrange them to make it as an animation or a game. So it will be a series of videos. I'll be uploading around 2 to 3 videos. So in first video today I'll be giving a brief introduction of Scratch. In next video we'll be making an animation that will be my channel's introduction video, and the next video we'll make one Scratch game. So please join me in all the videos and I will be giving an introduction how you can become Udemy instructor. Now I'll be starting my courses on Udemy and uploading them, and I'll upload those courses around tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Tomorrow you will get the first course and I'll give the description link in the description box. So tomorrow itself I'll give the link and you can join me on Udemy also. Thank you for your support and thank you for joining this video. Stay at home, stay safe, and you can do many things at home like watch Netflix, Amazon, YouTube, and empower yourself like speaking skills and robotic skills, computer skills. So let's start with today's video. Welcome friends. So let's start with today's video. First you need to open Scratch. I have downloaded it earlier only. I'll leave the link in the description box for you, or you can use Scratch online also. So I'll be using Scratch offline because there is an internet problem and I have downloaded it. So I'll be opening Scratch. Where is it? Scratch. So a screen like this will appear, so you might be wondering what is this. So this is what we call Scratch, the simplest coding language. Now for you it might be complex, but when you will see this video it will be very easy. So this white part is a stage. This is like a graph that we use in maths. It will work with x and y axis. Stage has x and y axis so that you can be more informative and you can let the sprite move to the axis. Like stage is with axis, you can instruct the sprite to move on a certain axis with the motion code. We'll do it. So this cat is in sprite. It is in blank object like a 2D image which can be controlled with Scratch, and stage is a graph on which sprite is kept. So today we will be working with moving the sprite and using pen option. So first I will be taking control. Control is controlling the sprite. How you will instruct it. The communication between you and sprite. So this is you will communicate with the help of keys, or you can communicate with the help of this flag button. So I'll be taking a key that will use as a communicating agent. So this is space key. So I'll change it to A. So you have started the communication, then you need to instruct the sprite what to do. So in that you can say hi, or see in looks you can say hi. So this is say hello. So I'll be using this. In looks it will say hi, think, change the color, then change graphic effects. So first let's see say hi for 2 seconds. So when you need to drag it below the A. See, it will show like that. Drag it and press A. It will be say hello. It is the simplest, like say hello. So I'll be removing it now, and now we'll be moving the sprite on the stage. First we'll be moving it with some steps or seconds, then we'll be moving it towards some particular axis. So first we'll move it like 10 steps. Here are steps, turning, so these are motions, pointing, going to certain axis, gliding to certain axis. So first we'll move 10 steps. So when I press A, then you will see this sprite will, now my mouse pointer is here. Now you will see the sprite will move. Sprite is moving. Now there is a problem that how you will bring the sprite back to the center. So for that there is one more code, that is in which you can use certain axis of the graph and taking slide back. So here is go to 0 0 means the center of the graph, means the center of the stage. Then I will be pressing go to 0 0 means it will travel 10 steps, then go back to 0 0. See, go to 0, it is now at center of the stage. So now we will be moving it towards the left hand side. So left hand side, you might be wondering what would be the axis. So to know the axis, you need to point your mouse pointer there, point it, and below here you will see x axis and y. These are not the axis of your sprite, these are the axis of your mouse pointer. See, this is 3 minus 8, it will be moving with my mouse pointer, so I'll be moving it towards left. So it will be certainly minus 224 and minus 11. So put these values in these x and y axis. So I'll put it like minus 224 my minus 224 and minus 224 and minus 11, and then I'll press A, it will move to left. Then again to center, I'll change it to 0. Back to the center. So this is the basic movement. This is the basic building steps of how we'll make our animation and game. So these are the basics of Scratch. Then there are pen option. You might be wondering what is this. You can write with your sprite, like pen option. See, this is the basic, like pen down means your pen is now on the stage. It will move with the ink left on the stage. It is pen down. And then pen up means your pen is up and it's not on the stage. So first you need to take pen down and you need to control it, like where it will move. So it will move 10 steps taking your pen down. So when I'll press A, it will move 10 steps and it will also write. Then you can stamp also with the pen. See, this is a stamp option. You will stamp. The sprite will leave its copy there, that is called a stamp. Like you stamp something on the paper, your logo, your signature. Same way the sprite will stamp on the stage. This is stamp option. You can change the color of the pen. You can change the color of the pen, it is given here. So here you need to change the color, set pen color to. So you can change the color, like I am changing it to blue or green. Let's take it green. So now it will be stamping and the color would be green. Let's change the stamp option so that you can see the pen. So it will be green color. Okay, so you can change the color. So we're using these basic of Scratch and make a little bit complex video tomorrow. We'll make an animation using Scratch and that will have voice. So let me first introduce you with sound. Sorry, I left with sound. So sound is like when you can just play meow, that is sound that comes preloaded with cat, or you can just play a sound from, you can record it, like interaction between two sprites. That we'll do it tomorrow. First we'll play sound meow. Okay, so it will, like when I'll press A, it will meow. So you heard the sound. So this is what sound option does. Like you can increase the volume or set volume. Like first I change the volume, it will decrease because it is minus 10. So I'll decrease the volume. So as soon as I press A again and again, the volume is decreased by -10. When it is decreased, certainly when again and again I'll press, it will be 0. I'll remove it and press A. Then you can change the sound. Here are many options, like you can record the sound. I'll be recording it. Hello world. So I'll be taking this as recording 1 and I'll press A. So you can add your own sound so that you can interact in any movie. There are many movies that are made with Scratch, some animations, so we'll make it tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video, joining me on this video. Thank you. Please come tomorrow for a new and complex video with Scratch. Thank you, and stay at home, stay safe, makes others safe, and stay home for yourself, your family, and someone else's family. Thank you for joining in this video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face.